Hi guys! Starting tomorrow, I have 1 week left in the Disney College program. I have 5 more days left of work and I'm so sad about it. So this is it. Today's Wednesday and I'm off today. This morning I went to Magic Kingdom and met up with Maya, my supply co. We wore our High School Musical shirts and that was a really fun time. You guys are awesome. I'm so glad I got to meet you guys. And then I had to leave early because I have to start packing. I was gonna say packing for my DTP. Nope, I have to start packing to move out of Chatham Square. And so that is what I'm doing today. I have kind of started a little bit. I was just gonna start and like get everything out of my dressers, maybe start unloading this nightstand, unload my vanity, what else? Unload the bathroom, get everything out of this drawer, start taking down most of my clothes. I have a lot of stuff to pack / unpack, so that's what I'm doing. I'm starting to pack and it's really sad. I don't think it's like hit me yet. This is the end of my CP because when I didn't get my extension, like I didn't cry. I was very sad, but I didn't cry. And I'm a crier, so like that's weird. And I just didn't really think about it. Like I didn't get it and then I just kind of forgot about it. Mentally, I don't think that I've like accepted that this is the end. Ooh, I'm getting emotional. I don't think that, dang it. I don't think that I've accepted that this is the end. Like I will not be a CP come a week. I didn't want to cry. This was supposed to be fun. I love packing. I love unpacking. I'm not even leaving Orlando, so I don't know why I'm so sad about it. I guess I'm having a mental breakdown. It's all good. I've had one like every day, so this is from Traditions. My favorite place. Alright guys, so here's the progress I made. I took down all of my wall decorations, took down all of my ears, and so I just have like random things. I have a lot of little bags that I just put everything in, and some suitcases, all that kind of stuff. And so basically I just tried to take everything. Oh, let's look at my closet. My closet is kind of empty. Look at that. Like almost all my clothes are gone, my shoes are gone. I just tried to take everything that I probably wasn't gonna use. What? Hello? Okay. I just tried to take everything that I probably wasn't gonna use and just take it over there. So now I'm gonna take probably a couple trips to the car to get like all of this in there. Try to unpack. I don't have any furniture in there or anything, so I don't really know how I'm gonna unpack. For now, let's go take everything to my car and then take it to my apartment. It was literally so hard to move all of that. I can't believe I did it all on my own. In case you didn't know or couldn't tell, I live on the 3rd floor in building 10 in Chatham, and so I had to take all of my stuff down all the flights of stairs. We were checking, I was like right here on the balcony. So sad because we didn't get the room we wanted. Forgot my water bottle, so I came back up here, got my water bottle. So now going back to the car, down all these flights of steps. I got Chick-fil-A for lunch, so you know I just worked that off. Going back to the car and time to go to the new apartment. Welcome everyone to my new apartment. Here is our kitchen. It's really nice. Here is our living room. We don't have a couch, but we have some pillows. Here is my room. It's honestly a really nice size. But they have these things hanging from the fan that like need to go. This is it. This is my apartment. My 2 other roommates are Sammy and Lauren. They're really, really sweet. Lauren is in entertainment with me. They both were Spring Advantage CPs, and so we all finished our CP together, and we are all moving on to big and better things, but staying here in Orlando. I was looking around, so I don't know anybody who lives in this complex. I just know the other 2 girls. I feel kind of alone right now, like it's kind of weird. There was a girl who I saw walked out of our building. She looked nice, she looked friendly. She looked like she was like, you know, around our age. She's working out, so maybe we'll be friends. And I saw this guy, well, first, and then I saw this like couple. They're like kind of older and had tattoos and stuff walk out. They seem friendly, I guess. No one's like said hi or like waved or anything, and I'm obviously moving in, but that's okay. They probably just were intimidated. Okay, I want to show you guys the decorations that we have so far. Me and Sammy the other day went to like At Home and to Target and stuff to get some decor and stuff, and here's what we got. At Home is a dangerous place. Don't go there. It's so good. I brought this, if you recognize. This is from our apartment, my DCP apartment, so I'll always remember. And then we have this. So this I had from the apartment, and then these we bought. We have this little holder. We got these pink like silverware. I can't talk. Okay, and then we got this little cute like message board, so we can just like write on it like have a good day, or like not gonna be home, or just get toilet paper. I don't know. And so our kitchen is so pretty. Like this granite top. Our sink is literally so nice. Look at this faucet, and then a view. What really sold me on this place was the kitchen. Like it's just so pretty. I really like it, and the lights up there, like, oh, it's so pretty. And so then in my room, well, this is all I really have right now, but I'm not sure what I'm gonna do. So this is my bathroom. The lights are really bad. I want to get better ones, but I got this rug, and it doesn't really match, but I really like the rug because it's so comfy, so I may or may not keep it. And then this I think we got for the kitchen, but I just put it in here. And then these, one for the kitchen, probably one for in here. But this is my shower curtain that's a little wrinkly, and then this is my bathrobe. I don't know. Those two don't match. Those two match really well, but I just really like this one because it's so funny. Welcome home. And then I'll put this right there. Oh, that's really cute. Good morning, everyone. So I took a little nap. I think I went to sleep, it was like 5:30. It is now 9 o'clock. This is my little makeshift bed. So I just had this blanket that I brought over and this pillow that we got from Target. So I am absolutely exhausted. Like, I've just been, you know, working and waking up early probably every day. I haven't really had a chance to sleep in, so this nap was much needed. So I'm probably gonna go get some dinner and then go back home and just have a fun night. I don't know, do something fun. Hope you guys enjoyed the first look at my apartment. This is not the end of the vlog channel. This is not the end of Disney. This is only the end of the DCP. So like, don't go anywhere. Like, I'm still here. Everything is changing, but like nothing is changing. Anyways, so thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys tomorrow when I actually officially start the daily vlogging. Okay, bye.